For the OGC Testbed 15's Open Portrayal Framework, Echerry provided a number of client and service components based on its cross-platform Gnosis geospatial software. These components implemented support for two OGC API specifications defined during this initiative, the Tiles and Styles API modules, as well as GeoPackage extensions for tiles and styles, building on the previous efforts of Testbed 14 as well as those of VectorTiles Pilot. Here we are demonstrating interoperability by accessing from our OGC API client services from Interactive Instruments and Echerry. The client we developed could access imagery, terrain elevation, and vector data from the various service endpoints through the Tiles API and render them client-side with multiple styles applicable to these datasets retrieved from the same endpoint through the Styles API. Here we are demonstrating interoperability by portraying in our client geopackages produced by CompuSalt, ImageMatters, and Echerry. As a key objective of the Open Portrayal Framework is a consistent online-offline architecture, equivalent functionality for visualizing data stored within geopackages was also developed and tested, leveraging extensions for embedding encoded styles and symbols within the geopackage itself, as well as associating these styles to data layers through semantic annotations. We also integrated these datasets with global datasets such as Google Maps and global elevation data. In addition to GeoPackage, an offline Gnosis data store can also be used with our client, leveraging SQLite in our compact Gnosis map tiles format. The elevation, imagery, and vector data tiles produced to populate geopackages and to fulfill requests to our OGC features and Tiles API are generated on the fly using our Gnosis geospatial engine. Given the cross-platform nature of our software, our client functionality for accessing any of these online or offline data stores can also be deployed to mobile devices running the Android operating system. In a separate video, we demonstrate interoperability with the Tiles and Styles API provided by GeoSolutions using this mobile client. Here we can see global elevation data styled with an opacity shading map, as well natural earth data, including styled bathymetry polygons, also leveraging vector tiles. These portrayal capabilities are available and work the exact same way regardless of how the styles are encoded, and whether accessing data tiles and styles from an OGC API or from an offline geopackage or Gnosis data store, thus providing a consistent online-offline open portrayal framework.